Hi guys, this is GSMDome and I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy A56, which was just unveiled, and it comes with several novelties. First of all, it comes with a 6.7-inch brighter screen compared to its predecessor, and also it comes with a new Exynos 1580 processor. The starting price is €479 and it features faster charging at 45 watts. Now you're going to see here some of its features. So it comes with a circle to search AI Smart, best face, so you can get a photo with everyone smiling. You can get also HDR selfie video, and also you're getting the display, which is more immersive thanks to the narrower bezels. The battery is a 5000 mAh unit, and there's also Knox Vault for your security. You're getting 6 years of Android updates, as well as One UI 7.0 with all of its goodies. And the design involves glass at the front with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and glass at the back side, the pretty looking pink version. This is glass, this is aluminum, and this is glass again. Now if you're looking for measurements, we should also have them here. The phone measures 7.4 millimeters in thickness and weighs 198 grams. It's got an aluminum frame, as I said before. It's IP67 certified, which means it can take some dust and water, up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. It got a Super AMOLED screen, 6.7 inches, 120 Hz, Full HD Plus, always on display, up to 1200 nits of brightness. Now, this phone also comes with 8 gigs of RAM or 12 and up to 256 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage. The cameras are the same, and I'm talking about the sensors here. 50 megapixel main with OIS, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and 4K capture. 12 megapixel at the front side with 4K capture and even 10-bit HDR. The camera options are Pro Video, Night. There's also Food, Panorama, Macro, Slow Motion, Hyperlapse, Dual Recording, and Single Take. If you're going to the video section, you're going to get a super steady feature for stabilization. If you're going into the photo, classical options. Apparently, now you're going to make the switch between ultra wide and wide 2 times faster than before, something like 430 milliseconds. Then we get the portrait with all of its cool features. Just effect strength for now. And the fun section, we can apply fun masks to people around you. So you can make people pandas or whatever, glitter, put all sorts of glitter on them, and wigs and things like that. This requires some internet connection, so yeah, may not work just now. Okay, so this is what the phone is like. You're getting stereo speakers, as I said before, Wi-Fi 6, 5G is available as well. Circle to search, it comes in pink, olive, graphite, and light gray. It's priced at around, let's see here, we have the price tag at around €480, or better said, let's see here, €480 for the basic 120 gigabyte version, and 256 gigabyte version starts at €529. We also have an AI select feature, which selects what's on the screen and you can draw something or see what you can do with it. You can also set as wallpaper, share, copy, clipboard, and things like that. So this is the Galaxy A56. It's quite nice to handle thanks to the flat frame, but I feel it's a bit too thick, not thick, too wide and long for my taste. Goodbye.